Let's roll into this fully remodeled 4-bedroom, 2-bath, corner lot home for under $300,000. Always pay attention to the major components of a home, which are roof, plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. This home won't disappoint and is sure to give you a peace of mind. Brand new kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and gorgeous backsplash. Bright and spacious bedrooms. Nothing was left untouched. This amazing lime tree is a real delight to have around. Whether you're making margaritas or a key lime pie, this tree got you covered.